Butterfly is a 1988 painting by the Japanese artist Ao. Like many of Ao's paintings, Butterfly, which portrays a swimmer performing the butterfly stroke, attempts to make use of the entire visual light. So I clearly see the subject, butterfly, and then we have a dependent clause that explains the butterfly. And then we have a main verb here. Main verb will be attempt. Butterfly attempts to make use of the entire visual light spectrum. Okay, let's read the rest. Sporting rainbow striped goggles, the rainbow hued swimmer splashes through a wavy rainbow of water. I clearly see the subject here, swimmer, and splashes. And I'm not seeing any words like that, any relative pronoun, which can cause a sentence to be dependent. So I'm going to assume that we have subject and verb, the main independent clause after the blank, and before the blank we have butterfly. We have subject and verb, butterfly attempt. So two independent clauses. How do we connect them? Well, choice A, we have a run-on sentence. There's no clear boundary between these two independent clauses, so it's a run-on. Choice B, we have colon, and that actually can solve it, but let's keep B for now. C, spectrum, while. So it's not only it's not failing to create the boundary with a comma or any other punctuation, it's gonna cause the next one as the while sporting, it's going to destroy the modifier between the sporting with the swimmer. Okay, if you say while, it creates the dependent clause, which makes it independent followed by dependent and independent, and you won't really see that kind of structure in the English language. So C is out, and I'm also going to say it's a run-on due to the missing of boundary punctuation. And choice D, we have a punctuation, but like I said, this one, the while is not the right place to use. Again, you have an independent clause, dependent clause, and an independent clause. And what happens is that this dependent clause is kind of confusing whether it modifies the first clause or the clause before or clause after. So I'm going to say this is a comma splice. Now, choice B is a good answer because we make a further explanation or amplifies the information before. We just said the butterfly attempts to make the entire visual light spectrum. So it uses imagery, and then that's further explained or clarified in the next one. Sporting rainbow striped goggles, the rainbow hued swimmer splashes. So this is an elaboration from the previous claim. Therefore, the colon is the correct use here.